So I know I'm looking a little crusty, don't worry, can't really fix that. But listen, so I'm doing faux locks today. As you can see, like, I have random faux locks in my hair right now. And I just thought to myself, I was like, pause. I should show you at least how to do it, because like if I just come up on Instagram looking bad as and not show y'all how to do it, I know y'all gonna be hot and I don't want to. Whoa, oh my god. So as I was saying, I want to come on here and show you how I do my faux locks, because this is actually my first time doing it and I'm actually really excited, because whenever I do a new hairstyle, you know, I feel really good about myself. And so I just want to show y'all how I do it. So let's just get into it. Oh yeah, before you even do anything, can you subscribe? Okay, good. And you should subscribe, honestly, because I got a lot of energy and I've been doing this all day. All day. I just want you to subscribe, join the family, you know, because come on sis. Come on sis. Don't play. Okay, let me get into this though, because it seems like my camera's trying to die and I'm a little mad, but let's just go. I'm basically starting off with a basic braid, but at the top of the braid there is a twist. So I just basically twisted my hair and then I braided it, and now I'm gonna take 4 pieces of Marley hair. Yeah, this is really my first time like filming at night, and you know, it's interesting. I like daytime, but you know, so just gotta show y'all, you know, I gotta show y'all how to do this, because I can't just let y'all look righty. So I like to pull on like one piece and make it extremely long, because you'll see why. As you see, there's one piece that's extremely long, and then these pieces, it doesn't really have, these pieces are fine, they don't have to be that long. And so what I do is I take this and I put it around my index finger. Do you see it? Are you watching? Are you paying close attention? Okay, so I put it on my index finger, and then I get this and I put it on my index finger, and then I untwist this, and you see this little gap right here. I take this little piece and then I put it right through the twist, and then I'm like pulling it through. You can crochet this if you want, but I don't have a crochet tool, so yeah. After I do that, I take this little twist that I already had and I kind of try to twist it back, because I already kind of untwisted it and I want this to be tight. So I twisted it on there. And so now I'm going to grab the side with the longest pieces on it. That's where the braid's going to go. And you're going to take this piece and you're going to literally wrap your hair around it, or the Marley hair around it, into like a loop, if that makes sense. And you're just going to keep wrapping until you feel like it's too tight and your edges are going to fall out. If your edges fall out, please stop. Cause girl. And then once you feel like it's super duper tight and it's locked on there, that's when you can start moving down. And that's when I like to position my hands a little bit differently and just move it so it can be just comfortable for me. If you want smaller faux locks, don't use as much Marley hair as I did, because you're gonna get like a huge faux lock, if you feel me, and I don't feel like, if you're not going for that look, then don't do it. I, however, am going for that look. And a quick tip, if you want to make sure your locks stay in, because as you see, there's a couple locks that are trying to, you know, leave the forest, make sure you do it real tight, girl. And there's one part I'm gonna start running out of hair and I'm like, oh my god, what do I do? So don't worry, just don't grab the longest piece of your hair that you have. Grab all the other pieces and make sure that braid is still with the longest piece, because that's still like your anchor. And literally you're just gonna be wrapping again, and it's like, it's so, like, it's not that hard, I promise you. Not that hard. This is important. Okay, so you flip this, like you're kind of like C-curving it. Does it make sense? You're C-curving it, and then you're trying to like basically flip this up so you can be able to wrap it around, if that makes sense. And now I'm just gonna literally be wrapping. Can someone? Fix my vocabulary. Okay. I'm gonna go upwards now, because now I'm just trying to lock it in, because it's a lock and you don't want your hard work to fall out. Once your arms have fallen off, you're going to take your lighter. Please be precautious. If you are an arson, don't say you got recommended to this video. Okay, let's keep going. And then I like to do that and like press the dread so it can like seal up, you know. If you mess with any type of fake hair, this is pretty self-explanatory. I need to decorate this hair, and I went to Michael's and I got some yarn, and I also got some crystals. Am I about to be that woman who's gonna wear crystals in their hair? Definitely am. Okay, so I've been decorating for probably the last hour because this is like enjoying, and I flipped my hair so many ways, but I figured out that I actually just like a middle part, and I'm probably gonna put a scarf on so it can lay a little bit flatter. But however, anything else, I really like this because I just feel so extra, but like super, like just super cute, and I don't know, like I feel like I can just do anything with any hairstyle right now, and it's like but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, it took a long time, it took all day, but I'm actually happy that this is done because I'm feeling really good about myself. So I'm just gonna end it here because I feel like I'm gonna decorate for the rest of the day probably, or the rest of the night because it's like 9 o'clock. But I will talk to you guys later. I love you so much, and I hope that you like this. And I already know I am like a crystal incense ass bitch, but I've intensified it maybe by 100% now, so I love it. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope that this has helped you, and yeah, love you. Alright, bye.